first came, I felt very tense. I had just traveled. I was kind of ready to like be in bed. And then I came here and I just feel at peace.
It wasn't just fitness, it wasn't just clarity, it wasn't, health education, it was all of those things.
I think the food teaches you and cleanses you and educates you about your body. The breath work and the meditation is just, it's so powerful. It opens you up to feel yourself.
And then this morning we were doing breathing. It was like my mind was completely clear. Actually last night I noticed it when we were meditating, and also this morning doing breathing, that my mind was like clear. And that is huge, 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 huge for me, yeah.
Everybody just makes you feel so comfortable. It's like one of those, you come in and then your family.
And making sure that we understand how our bodies work and how we can also take care of ourselves when we leave here.
You guys really talked about so many things, and it's really just about aligning.
Well, we all need this. Whether we know it or not, we all need this. We need a place to like quiet our mind and find some peace.
I'm ready to go home and bring more love with me and to live life in a different level of light.
Just to get back to yourself, like this is an absolutely amazing way to jumpstart that process and really make a long-term change.